G'day, I'm Dave from Rain Harvesting, and today we're going to show you how to maintain your leaf eater commercial with the hood. So, depending on how dirty your screen might be, you might need to approach this a couple of different ways. If you perform more frequent maintenance or your rain head isn't particularly dirty, you might be able to just clean it by simply lifting the hood up and brushing away any debris that's gathered on the screen. If your rain head has an accumulation of debris or hasn't been cleaned in a long time, it might be necessary to remove the screen completely and clean it elsewhere. So it might be easier to do this down on the ground with a hose or just tapping it out on the ground. So now I'll just show you how to remove the screen entirely. So to remove the screen completely, you need to remove these 5 screws from the perimeter of the screen. And you also need to remember there's 3 screws securing the back of the screen as well. So don't forget these when you're undoing all the screws. I'm using a drill to make this faster, but if you are using a drill, make sure to put it on a low torque setting to avoid stripping any screws. Now that all the screws are removed, I can go ahead and pull the whole screen out. So now I've got my screen removed, I can just take this and backwash it with a hose or even just tap it out on the ground to clean it properly. Now that I've cleaned my screen, I can put it back onto the body of the rain head. So the process for doing this is just the same as removing it, but in reverse. So I want to slide my screen in position and press it into the body, making sure that it's seated evenly all the way around. Now I'm going to screw it back in place. Now I've screwed the screen in, I can put the hood back on. So just angle it up slightly, tilt it in so that it goes around your inlet pipe, and just lower it into position like that. Just making sure that the skirt sits evenly and flush in the channel in the screen. That's it. That's all there is to maintaining your leaf eater commercial with the hood.